Today we discuss very important distribution as far as the discrete nature is concerned, which is nothing but the Poisson distribution. So after discussing binomial distribution, the Poisson distribution has also got enormous importance as far as the decision making is concerned. Understand? The Poisson distribution is known as a distribution for rare events. Rare events. Distribution for rare events. What do you mean by that? The Poisson distribution generally used in all those situations where the results are going to be very rarely. The best example is celestial happenings. What are celestial happenings? Like a falling up of the comets, movement of the stars. That means the things which are related to space, the changes whatever takes place in the space, entirely rare situation. Every minute, every day you cannot expect the changes in the space. By using the Poisson distribution, you can predict the changes beforehand because all celestial happenings are rare events. The Poisson distribution can be applied to understand what you call the number of accidents are going to be takes place at any particular junction of the roads, because you cannot expect taking up the accidents very frequently. Same way, the Poisson distribution is useful to identify the print mistakes in a dictionary. Dictionary is a very bulky book. Frequently, if you find spelling mistakes, means you can doubt on their quality. Understand? Such a way, if you think, the Poisson distribution is enormously useful for various situations where you find the happening of those situations rare. Understand? The Poisson distribution, given to us by a French mathematician. His name is Simon Denis Poisson. Simon Denis Poisson. Poisson means don't assume. Okay, this is the poison. This poison is a substance, by eating it kills us. Understand? That is different. But here the Poisson, doubtless. Poisson means here the name. What is its full name? Simon Denis Poisson. Understand? Then what is the Poisson distribution probability mass function? I mean to say the photograph of the Poisson distribution. Probability formula of the Poisson distribution. If x is any random variable, if it follows Poisson distribution with the parameter lambda, don't assume. The statistics is a symbolical language. Whatever sentence I rendered now, converted into the notation form. What is the meaning of that? Follows, obeys. Isn't? So x follows Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. Then its probability mass function is given by probability of x. Nothing but the probability of x taking small x. You see, nothing but e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So this is called the Poisson distribution probability formula. You need to by heart. What is the binomial distribution probability formula? NCX, p power x, q power n minus x. So these formula you should not forget. Understand? Just like our names. So e power minus lambda power x by x factorial, where lambda is known as the parameter of the Poisson distribution. You know that word, parameter. Parameter means a very, very important value. If you know the parameter, anything about the distribution, you can calculate. So for the binomial distribution, what are the parameters? NP. Same way, the lambda is going to the parameter of the Poisson distribution. Understand? Where E is an exponential constant, mathematical constant. What is that? 2.71828. You have to by heart this. Need not to be by hearted. Okay, in the calculator directly you get. So generally, if anybody asks what is the E value, 2.71828. Understand? And what are the X values here? X takes values. I already told you discrete distribution means 0, 1, 2, 3 dash dash up to what you called finite. Okay. So this is called the Poisson distribution. So the probability formula of the Poisson distribution is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. Okay. Now, what are the characteristics of the Poisson distribution? Very, very important. Characteristics. The very, very first characteristic, standard one, the Poisson distribution. PD stands for the Poisson distribution. Is a discrete distribution. Why discrete? Because the x takes values 0, 1, 2 dash dash. Discrete values. The second one, the mean of the Poisson distribution is always lambda. So what do you call this symbol? Lambda. Greek letter. Okay. In few textbooks, instead of lambda, they use lowercase m also, small letter m. Don't confuse. Variance. Variance of the Poisson distribution is again lambda. One more characteristic. Now, what is the discrete distribution for which mean and variance both are same and equal, which is nothing but the Poisson distribution. So for the Poisson distribution, both mean and variance are equal. Very, very important property. What is that value? Is going to be lambda. That means in a Poisson distribution, if you know the mean, that is going to be the variance. If you know the variance, that is going to be the mean also. But whereas in the case of binomial distribution, what is the mean? NP. What is the variance? NPQ. Okay. Property number 5. The coefficient of skewness. The coefficient of skewness, that is denoted by beta 1 for the Poisson distribution is 1 by lambda. What do you call this? Coefficient of skewness. Skewness means extension of the Poisson distribution curve, left hand side, right hand side. Based upon that, whether the distribution is symmetric or not, we are going to identify. The next one is the coefficient of kurtosis, denoted by beta 2. For the Poisson distribution, its value is 3 plus 1 by lambda. So what do you call this? You call this one as coefficient of kurtosis. Coefficient of kurtosis. Okay. Very, very important property. What is that? The Poisson distribution is a limiting form of binomial distribution. Very, very important property. The Poisson distribution is the limiting form of the binomial distribution. What do you mean by this? Sometimes what happens, instead of binomial distribution, we are going to use the Poisson distribution. Sometimes in those situations where we are supposed to use Poisson distribution, we are going to use the binomial distribution. Interchangeability is possible because of this property, a limiting form. Whenever the probability of success of the binomial distribution is very, very rare, very, very less, then that indicates that instead of binomial distribution, you can use the Poisson distribution. So what do you call this? This is very important property, limiting property of the statistics. So interchangeably you can apply binomial distribution as well as the Poisson distribution. So these are all called the properties of the Poisson distribution. So what is that? The Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution. The mean of the Poisson distribution is lambda. The variance of the Poisson distribution is again lambda. The mean and variance of the Poisson distribution is lambda. Both are equal. So what is that? Discrete distribution for which mean variance both are equal. Poisson distribution. Coefficient of skewness beta 1 by lambda. Coefficient of kurtosis, peakedness of the curve, whether leptokurtic, platykurtic, okay, mesokurtic, can be understood by using this wonderful information beta 2. Whenever data is given, first thing you need to identify is its graph, its skewness, its kurtosis. Understand? And based upon that, you are going to what you call understand about the data. That's why these are all standard statistical information. The Poisson distribution is the limiting form of the binomial distribution. So interchangeable, if you want, you can use. So after understanding the characteristics of the Poisson distribution, now we are going to understand what are the uses of the Poisson distribution. I already discussed in the beginning of the explanation itself. The Poisson distribution is useful on the rare occasions to understand about the outcomes of the rare occasions, like all changes whatever takes place in the space. So Poisson distribution is useful to understand the arrival pattern of the customers to the what you call service station. That's why while reading queuing theory, in the next semester you are going to understand queuing theory in the operations research. This entire queuing theory is based upon the Poisson distribution. Again, I recall you this wonderful distribution while discussing the queuing theory concepts. What do you mean queue? Lining up of the customers in front of the service station. In front of petrol station, petrol bunk, you find the lining up of vehicles. In front of grocery stores, you find the customers having bags in their hands to purchase the groceries. In front of movie theaters, you find audiences to purchase tickets in terms of the queues. To understand the queues is nothing but based on queuing theory, you can do that. Entire queuing theory concepts are developed based upon the Poisson distribution. So here, I know general way, how do you understand for time being? The Poisson distribution is useful to understand the arrival pattern of the customers to a service station. Okay. The Poisson distribution is useful to learn the pattern of printing mistakes. And also the Poisson distribution is useful, okay, the defective rivets in an aeroplane. Understand, this is a very important explanation. As you know, aeroplane is a what you called having a body of what you call alloy. Alloy means mix of metals. Lightest metal with what you called good strength. So how do you join these metal sheets? So by using what you called small nails. Throughout aeroplane you find small nails like this. Understand? How many nails you find? Lakhs of nails. Suppose any one of the nail or rivet improperly fixed when the flight is in the air, flying. So huge air pressure would be there from outside. So what will there? Immediately there is a possibility of what you call opening of here, and huge accidents can occur in the air itself. Blast will take place. Okay. So in order to save the lives of the people, so while going for the quality check through the Poisson distribution, we can identify the rivets whichever not properly fixed. So this is the one more very important application of the Poisson distribution. Okay. So this is the Poisson distribution probability mass function. Probability of x is equal to probability of x is equal to x, that is equal to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So what is E? Exponential constant. Exponential constant, mathematical constant, 2.71828. Like E, like pi, few mathematical constants are there. So what is that? 222 by 7. This is mathematical constant. So these are the characteristics and these are the general uses of the Poisson distribution. So in the next video we are going to discuss the application of the Poisson distribution through the examples. Okay, I stop here. Thank you so much.